Dog owners are sharing malfunctioning photos of their four-legged friends, and it's hilarious.
But before we start, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and smash that like button. We really appreciate your continuous support.
As you know, dogs are smart and loyal creatures, so it's not surprising that they're called the cutest and most perfect creatures in the world. However, to be honest, even these great creatures also have ugly and silly moments that they never want anyone to know. Unfortunately, their humans saw these moments and quickly captured them on cameras. They even shared these unflattering pictures with the world by posting them on social media. Thankfully, our four-legged friends don't use the internet, so they'll never know that their secrets were revealed. In this post, we've collected the most unflattering photos of dogs to share with you. To be honest, even in these pics, our canine friends still somehow manage to be cute. If you don't believe us, keep watching to see for yourself. Spoiler alert, all the photos are hilarious. Number 1. What are you looking at, huh? Number 2. Watch your shoes, for tonight they shall be peed in. Number 3. Snoop Dogg. Number 4. She's a beautiful dog. Number 5. Those flapping jowls are so comical. Number 6. This is Jasper. He's having a bad hair day. Number 7. Still cute though. Number 8. Looks very judgmental. Number 9. Do I have a double chin? Number 10. You're late and I am not amused. Number 11. What did you say? Human? Number 12. Something is wrong with this dog. 13. Yeah, I guess this is pretty unflattering. 14. He may rise but refuses to shine. 15. Best sleeping position ever. 16. Boopable. 17. This looks like revenge. Ha 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 ha. Say that one more time. Say what? 18. Cleaning service coming through. 19. Aw, that's inflicted on the dog. Give the poor thing some dignity. 20. My tequila girl. If you love these pics, please share them with your friends and family members.